Here's what nobody tells you about running Binance at scale. Here's what most people miss. Binance doesn't just look at your browser. They analyze your behavior patterns, click speed, typing rhythm, and session timing to build an activity fingerprint. The technology behind this is called browser fingerprint spoofing. It replaces your real device data with synthetic but realistic values that Binance accepts as genuine. Set up separate bookmark folders within each profile for that account's resources. This keeps things clean and prevents accidentally loading wrong bookmarks. First, download and set up your antidetect browser. Create a separate browser profile for each Binance account you want to manage. This takes about 5 minutes per profile. Every successful Binance marketer I know uses this approach. It's not optional anymore. It's the cost of doing business in the modern era. Every day without protection is a day your accounts are at risk.